Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Summer is officially here, bringing with it sunshine, good vibes, and, let's be honest, a whole lot of heat and humidity. While we love those long, bright days, they often come with a unique challenge for our makeup. We've all been there, right? You spend time perfecting your look, only to step outside and feel your carefully applied makeup start to melt away. It can quickly turn into a streaky, smudgy mess, leaving you feeling less than fabulous. That perfect foundation suddenly looks like it's sliding off your face. But don't worry, because today we're tackling this common summer dilemma head-on. We're gonna unlock the secrets to achieving truly sweat-proof makeup that stands up to anything summer throws at it. Our goal is to make sure your makeup lasts all day, no matter how high the temperatures climb. We want to combat that dreaded summer meltdown and keep your face looking fresh, flawless, and vibrant from morning till night. Whether you're hitting the beach, working outdoors, or just enjoying a sunny day, your makeup should stay put. Get ready to embrace summer with confidence and a perfectly preserved face. The journey to long-lasting, sweat-proof makeup truly begins before you even pick up your foundation brush. Think of your skin preparation as the absolute foundation for everything that follows. It's the crucial first step that determines how well your makeup adheres and performs throughout the day. A clean, well-prepped canvas is non-negotiable, especially when dealing with heat and humidity. Neglecting this step can lead to makeup slipping and sliding, no matter how good your products are. So, let's dive into the essential steps for getting your skin ready. First things first, a thorough face cleansing routine is paramount. Start by washing your face with a gentle yet effective cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or residual products. This ensures you're starting with a completely fresh and clean surface. A clean base allows your subsequent products to absorb and adhere properly. Next up, moisturizing. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is a vital step you should never skip. The key for summer is to use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Heavy creams can feel suffocating and contribute to oiliness in warm weather. Look for gel-based or water-based formulas that hydrate without adding excess shine or greasiness. A well-hydrated skin barrier actually helps regulate oil production, preventing your skin from overcompensating and producing more sebum. Apply a thin layer and let it fully absorb before moving on. Now, for a truly crucial step in your summer makeup arsenal, primer application. This isn't just an optional extra, it's a non-negotiable for durability. Primer creates a smooth, even base for your makeup, filling in pores and fine lines. It acts as a barrier between your skin and your makeup. More importantly, for summer, many primers are specifically formulated to help control oil production. Look for mattifying or oil-controlling primers that will keep shine at bay. This essential step significantly extends the wear time of your makeup, making it far more resistant to sweat and humidity. Once your skin is perfectly prepped, the next critical step is selecting the right makeup products. Not all formulas are created equal, especially when it comes to battling sweat and humidity. Making smart choices here will make a world of difference in your makeup's longevity. When you're building your summer makeup kit, always opt for waterproof formulas whenever possible. This is especially true for products like mascara and eyeliner. Waterproof mascara is a game changer, preventing smudges and streaks even if you get caught in a sudden downpour or break a sweat. Beyond mascara, look for other long-wear and water-resistant options across your entire makeup routine. Many brands now offer waterproof or water-resistant versions of brow products, cream shadows, and even lip liners. These specialized formulas are designed to stay put through moisture and heat. Next, let's talk about foundation and concealer selection. For summer, you'll want to look for matte foundation formulas. Matte foundations are specifically designed to control oil and shine, providing a long-lasting, non-greasy finish. They are far more resistant to sweat and humidity compared to dewy or luminous formulas. Pair your matte foundation with a matte concealer for targeted coverage. These products often contain ingredients that absorb excess oil, helping your complexion stay fresh and shine-free. They create a durable base that won't easily break down when exposed to moisture. Consider the texture of your products for a more durable finish. Cream to powder products are excellent choices for summer. They apply smoothly like a cream but dry down to a powder finish, offering enhanced staying power. This dual texture property makes them incredibly resilient. These types of products, whether they are blushes, bronzers, or eyeshadows, tend to adhere better to the skin. They are less likely to slide or crease compared to purely cream or liquid formulas in hot conditions. Experiment with these versatile options to see how they perform for you. Having the right products is only half the battle. Knowing how to apply them correctly is equally important for achieving a sweat-proof look. Smart application techniques can significantly enhance the longevity and resilience of your makeup. It's all about building a durable, yet natural-looking, finish. One of the most crucial techniques for summer makeup is the layering strategy. Instead of applying a thick layer of foundation or concealer, apply your makeup in thin, buildable layers. This prevents your makeup from looking heavy or caked on, which can be a disaster in humidity. Thin layers adhere better to the skin and are less prone to creasing or sliding. You can always add another thin layer if you need more coverage, but starting light is key. This approach creates a more flexible and breathable finish that moves with your skin, rather than sitting on top of it. When it comes to blending, your tools make a huge difference. For seamless blending of foundation and concealer, a damp beauty sponge is your best friend. A sponge helps to press the product into the skin, rather than just spreading it around. This creates a more skin-like finish that looks natural. The dampness of the sponge also helps to shear out the product slightly, contributing to that thin, buildable layer we just talked about. It ensures your foundation melts into your skin, creating a smooth, even canvas that is less likely to separate or look patchy as the day progresses. After applying your liquid or cream products, setting with powder is an absolute must for summer. A translucent setting powder is ideal, as it won't add extra coverage or alter the color of your foundation. Focus on areas prone to oiliness, such as your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. Lightly press the powder into your skin using a fluffy brush or a powder puff. This step locks your liquid and cream products in place, absorbing excess oil and creating a matte finish. It acts as a protective barrier, preventing your makeup from breaking down due to sweat and humidity. For extra staying power, especially in areas that get very oily or where you want maximum durability, consider using the baking technique. After applying your concealer and foundation, generously apply a thick layer of translucent powder to those specific areas. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the heat from your skin helps the powder to melt and set your makeup. After the waiting period, simply dust off the excess powder with a clean brush. This technique creates an incredibly long-lasting, matte finish that is highly resistant to creasing and sweat. It's a favorite for special occasions or extremely hot days. If there's one product that truly deserves the title of hero in your summer makeup routine, it's setting spray. This magical mist is the ultimate finishing touch that can make all the difference in how long your makeup lasts. It's the final seal of protection against the elements. Think of setting spray as a protective shield for your entire face. It's designed to lock everything in place, creating a durable, long-wearing finish. Skipping this step is like building a beautiful sandcastle, and then forgetting to put up a barrier against the tide. For application, once all your makeup products are applied and you're happy with your look, it's time for the setting spray. Hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches away from your face and apply a generous layer. You want to create a fine, even mist across your entire face. Don't be shy with it. A good, even coating is key. You can spray in an X and T motion to ensure full coverage. Allow the spray to air dry completely without touching your face. This allows the polymers in the spray to form a flexible, invisible film over your makeup. The benefits of setting spray are truly remarkable, especially in summer. It locks everything in place, preventing your foundation from migrating, your blush from fading, and your eyeshadow from creasing. It essentially fuses all your makeup layers together, making them one cohesive unit. Crucially, setting spray creates a barrier against sweat and humidity. Many formulas contain film-forming agents that repel moisture, keeping your makeup intact even when you start to perspire. It helps to prevent that dreaded melting or sliding effect, ensuring your look stays fresh and vibrant for hours on end. Even with the most meticulous preparation and application, summer days can be long and unpredictable. That's why being prepared for on-the-go touch-ups is absolutely essential. Having a few key items in your bag can be a lifesaver, allowing you to refresh your look quickly and discreetly. You don't need to carry your entire makeup bag, just a few strategic items. These touch-up essentials will help you combat shine and keep your complexion looking fresh throughout the day. They are your secret weapons for maintaining that flawless finish. First on the list are blotting papers. These small, thin sheets are incredibly effective at absorbing excess oil and shine without disturbing your makeup. They are a much better alternative to adding more powder, which can sometimes lead to a cakey appearance if overused. Simply press a blotting paper gently onto any oily areas, such as your T-zone, and lift away. You'll instantly see the oil absorb, leaving your skin looking matte and refreshed. They are compact, discreet, and a true summer essential for anyone prone to shine. Another lifesaver for convenience is a travel-sized compact powder. While blotting papers handle oil, a compact powder can provide a quick, light touch-up for minor shine or to refresh your overall complexion. Look for a pressed powder that matches your skin tone or a translucent one. A compact with a mirror and a small puff or sponge is perfect for quick applications. Lightly dab the powder onto areas that need a refresh, focusing on shine-prone zones. This helps to set any areas that might have started to break down slightly and keeps your skin looking smooth. These two items are small enough to fit into any purse, fanny pack, or even a pocket. They empower you to maintain your sweat-proof makeup strategy throughout the day, ensuring you always look your best. Don't leave home without them during the warmer months. So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to conquering summer makeup challenges and keeping your look flawless, no matter the heat. We've covered all the key principles that will transform your summer beauty routine. Remember, it all starts with meticulous preparation. Getting your skin ready with proper cleansing, lightweight moisturizing, and a powerful primer sets the stage for success. Then, it's about choosing the right products, opting for waterproof formulas, matte foundations, and durable cream-to-powder options. These choices are your first line of defense. Next, mastering smart application techniques like thin layering, using a damp beauty sponge, and strategic powder setting, including the baking method, will ensure your makeup adheres beautifully. And finally, never underestimate the power of a good setting spray to lock everything in place. With these tips and tricks, you can confidently enjoy all your favorite summer activities without worrying about your makeup melting away. Go ahead, embrace the sunshine, hit the trails, dance at that outdoor concert, or simply enjoy a picnic in the park. Your makeup will stay put. You are now empowered to face the summer heat with a fresh, vibrant, and perfectly preserved face. No more makeup meltdowns, just long-lasting beauty. We hope this guide helps you feel amazing all season long. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a big thumbs up. We love hearing from you. So comment below with your favorite summer makeup tips or any sweat-proof product recommendations you swear by. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tutorials, practical tips, and empowering content. We've got so much more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.